Me? Why no, I didn't just get a blowout. I used a Walmart airbrush. Hi, I'm Anne and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we're trying to live our best life even though we probably don't feel like it. And I'm back with one of my favorite things to do, and that is a review of a weird hair tool. We are going to be reviewing the Dyson Airwrap Dupe. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, go ahead and stick around. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be updated on all of my new videos, don't forget to ring the bell so that you get those notifications. All right, let's dive right in. All right, it is so good to be back. Yay. All right, let's get into this thing. This is the TP 5-in-1 Hot Air Styler from Walmart. It was like $29, I think. It's supposed to be a dupe, of course, for the, Dyson Airwrap. Mine is light pink, which I think is pretty fun. So it comes with the base, which is nothing fancy at all. It comes with a round brush. It comes with a regular brush, as well as the hairdryer bit. Hello. And the little dealies, and there's two of them, and one's supposed to be for one side of your head and the other is for the other side of your head. So these are the big ones that I'm most interested in trying it out. Now I will say I did get one of these already and I fiddled with it, and one of the things did not work. The other one worked really well, but the other one didn't, so I did exchange it. So I am on day, I don't know, 4 or 5 of this hair. I have some dry shampoo in it as well as some heat protectant. Otherwise, I don't have any kind of styling anything in my hair. So there's 3 different settings, which all sound the same. It's low heat, medium heat, and high heat. It just go balls out with the heat, I think. So we'll just give it a little brush through here. So it seems to be doing the same thing that my Revlon brush does, except it's just much smaller. So maybe if you had shorter hair, I like the bigger one.
That's what she said.
Oh, it's really hot to try to get it off. Oh, there's a button to release it. That'll work. Here's just like the straight brush. I have naturally very straight, slippery, fine hair. It's been in my existence my entire life, but here we are. Probably why I'm obsessed with styling tools that I don't use. All right, I feel like this little guy would be good if you have like curly hair and you're trying to straighten it out, or you just want to put a little polish on it. Okay, let's get to the actual nitty-gritty, and that is the thingy, the wrapping bit. We're supposed to just kind of hold a piece of hair up to it. My understanding is that the smaller the piece of hair, the better. So I have it on high heat to start. Oh, look at that, it just grabbed it right up. Ripped it right up, and it's missing this little piece down here. See if I can back it up. Okay. So you grip it and rip it on high heat, and then you like hit it with a blast of the cold to set it and forget it. I'm holding on to the hair I'm not using in a clip just so that it doesn't get caught up in the action here. All right, got it on. I'm holding it by the middle. I'm going here, kind of pick her up. Whoop, whoop, got it. Pretty cool. I feel like a regular curling iron is probably easier. Oh, see, I'm losing it out the top. Yeah, that one looks crappy. That's all right. We're gonna just keep going. Let's just keep going. So yeah, so don't know why this would be better than a curling iron. Like, I don't know. We'll see when we're done, but like, do the curls look any different? Do they look any better? I don't know that it's easier. I also don't know if the actual Airwrap is like amazing and pretty much curls your hair for you. I don't know, because I don't have $500 and no one's sending me anything like that. So I review one massage gun one time and every massage gun dealer on the planet wants to send me a free one of those. I reviewed 47,000 curling irons. Does anyone want to send me a curling iron? No. I'm now the massage gun lady, which I'm glad to be because I've gotten some good ones and they're helpful, but come on. If you're looking for a good massage gun, check out my other videos. It's just a new tool. Do you need it? Right out of the gate, I don't think you need it. Even for 30 bucks, I don't think you need it. I'd love to hear from people who are bougie and have a real air wrap. Why is it so amazing? Because this is not really blowing the wind into my sails. So now we go to the other one, which will make it go the other way, which is kind of cool. All right, this is stupid and taking forever and not doing much, and I don't see the point. Unless the actual air wrap is like 1,000 times better than the dupe, I don't see why anyone would do this. I don't feel like it, this is dumb. This is just plumb stupid. This is ridiculous. I hate it. Okay, let's finish the top and see. But like, it's taking forever. And it's like really hard to get it to grab a piece of the hair, and I just got to the point where I'm just sticking it in there and hoping for the best.
That's what she said.
But now I'm stuck because I got to do my hair. I'm gonna try the other side and do the whole point is to not have to move your arm around, but I'm gonna have to because that one does not want to work. I don't know. Oh, I guess it does look really nice. Okay, well, it actually does look really good. We will say that. It took forever. I don't feel like it will hold, but damn. It does look really nice. Hi, it's Editing Ann. As predicted, this absolutely did not hold. It's been like an hour and a half. I mean, it still looks nice. Even if it just stayed like this, it looks nice, but I think that it certainly wouldn't last more than a day. But I used no product and didn't put a lot of effort in, so I suppose it could be salvageable because it did look so good. Okay. So I don't hate the way it looks, but I hated the process, mostly because my one side is broken. At the very least, I have a new blow dryer because I don't have just a regular blow dryer, so now I do. And it works well, and it has different heat settings, which is nice. I want to hear from people that have an actual Dyson Airwrap. Is it just like so easy and so amazing? Should I be doing this with wet hair? Loving what it did with my little side bangettes here. And in general, I think it looks really pretty. I think it would look really pretty with longer hair too, or shorter hair. But it was a huge pain in the ass to do it. So, do you need it? No, I don't think you need it. Unless you just really love hair tools like I do. I think I could get a similar look with a thick-barreled curling iron, like an old-fashioned one. I have one from the 90s that I think I could do this with. But I couldn't do it with wet hair. So I think if you did it with wet hair, that would be good. For 30 bucks, I mean, why not give it a whirl? But I don't think that you need it. If you're like really, really, really wanting a Dyson Airwrap and there's just no way that's ever going to happen because who's spending $500 on a curling iron, this might be a good thing to do. And at the very least, it's a blow dryer and it comes with 2 different kinds of brushes, which are nice, and that I will use these parts of it for sure. So yeah, 3 stars maybe. 3 stars with potential. That's what I'm going to give this. Thanks so much for going on this adventure with me. Keep coming back. Take care of you, and don't forget to live your best life. Bye. Like a, hold on, I'm like a, it's like a Pantene kind of situation, like